Let's learn a few more 8 note grooves. I'll keep it quick and simple, and I won't be explaining each and every groove as I did with the first groove. In this groove, we are playing the bass on 1 and as well on 3 and. Slap will stay on 2 and 4. Let's see how it goes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I've been playing bass with my right hand and slap with my left. You can interchange your hands, you can mix and match them. It's up to your own comfort. As I said before, djembe is a very free instrument. You can explore it any way you like. But it should be rhythmic.